Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and I am out collecting the dead blooms from my hellebores. Now, these hellebores, here's the green leaves of the hellebore plant. It's summertime. These Corsican hellebores have finished blooming, and what I've been doing is I'm cutting off all the dead flower stems, and I'm going to use these. I'm going to lay these down in the woods, in any place where there's dry shade, because these flowers are full of little black seeds, and I want them to drop their seeds in amongst my woods and the wild areas of my garden, and then they'll start their own seedlings. They'll just naturalize and pop up in different parts of the garden. So what you do is you get in here when you start seeing the leaves turn yellow. These are the new foliage. They're nice and green. The yellow leaves are what bloomed earlier this spring. So you just get in there, and I follow the stem all the way to the ground. Snap that off. That's the yellow foliage, the old foliage. Snap that off. And you can see this has the faded flowers still on it. And then I will lay these down and take the whole bunch and go distribute them, laying on the ground, any kind of shaded, wild, or inhospitable place that nothing else wants to grow. These Corsican hellebores. These are not the regular hellebores. These are Corsican hellebores with a green flower on them. They're very drought resistant, and they will work their little black seeds into the ground. And maybe with any luck, I'll have volunteer Corsican hellebores in my garden. It's been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.